to get a PhD. A PhD, short for Doctor of Philosophy, may help you secure a position at a college or university professor, a researcher in a government or industrial laboratory, a consultant, or independent practitioner. If you have the curiosity to explore a subject in depth and tenacity to do so for many years, applying for a graduate PhD program may be an excellent step in reaching your full potential. By learning the steps necessary to complete your prerequisite education, apply to graduate school, and complete the work, you'll be well on your way. Ce step for more information. Completant an undergraduate degree in a broad field. To qualify for a PhD program, you will need a solid record of undergraduate coursework from a reputable university. The degree should demonstrate your potential for both advanced coursework and independent research. In general, you need to maintain a high pace and develop a good working relationship with your instructor. Generally, I recommended a students interested in pursuing advanced degree should develop a wide skill base during their undergrad. In whatever, while you may ultimately be interested in studying zoology, an undergrad degree in basic biology might provide you with a diverse base that you'll be able to narrow in your future study. Many universities offer major design to funnel you into an advanced degree. Prelo majors and pre-med majors are two notable examples of the. Talk to your academic advisor about your interest in pursuing a PhD after you graduate, if you've yet to select a major. Develop a close relationship with a Liston faculty member. Finding an or more faculty member WHO will mentor you, guide your development, and assist you in finding the right program for you. Combat the difference between finding your way into a good PhD program, and struggling. You'll also need several letters of recommendation to apply to graduate program, making this contact essential. A good way to develop a relationship with a professor is to take multiple classes with her and join her lab, or research team. Go to office or, introduce yourself, and express your interest in advanced degree work. Most professors are more than happy to work with a talented student who show a sincere interest in their work. I also a good idea to forge a relationship with graduate students at your school. Speak to graduate students and faculty about their experience at school, even if you plan on going elsewhere for your advanced degree. Many will be happy to let you know about advantage and disadvantage of studying for and obtaining a PhD. It can be a great way to get inside information and get ahead of the game. Obtain experience in the field with a research internship. In many fields, art science in particular, securing a summer internship and undergrad can allow to make you stand out on your application. If you can get experience assisting in the biology lab, or doing field work with a geologist, or even assisting a professor grad sur the course test, you'll be one step ahead in the academic field. Work study program in your field of interest can also be extremely attractive of graduate application. If you're studying English, try to secure employment in the writing lab, rate tant cafeteria to give yourself an edge and valuable experience. Make contact in your field. Become involved in your academic department club or honor society if one exists. If no, speak with your advisor or department chair about starting on. National and regional conference, such national conference on undergraduate research, occur, allow dedicated undergrad opportunity to rub elbow with expert and contribute to the discussion. Start researching graduate program in your junior year. Graduate school application will be do sometime during the winter spring of the academic year, for admittance the following fall semester. In whatever, the semester of your senior year is most likely to late to start looking at program, compiling your application material, and getting them in on time. Start early and don't miss out. Look for program with a good reputation, Bugive Morvette toute faculty and research interest of tote graduate students a prospective school. Why you're looking for in an advanced degree programming camaraderie en common ground, no en arbitrary ranking on some prestigious list. L'application are expensive some team $50 or $80 SOU onbeable to apply to all program. Try to select a range of program to apply to. Os a fait big dream school with great facility en prestigious faculty en law of competition to see if you can get in. Apply to small program that you also be attending. Apply to a many you can afford to give yourself the best chance. For some field, a master degree will be more appropriate subsidiary or even terminal degree. A worst, a master degree can be en excellent prime forte graduate school if. Especially if teaching assistantship or fellowship are available.